Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a whole house clean with me, and I do think you guys are really going to enjoy this one. As you see right here with the before, there is a lot of cleaning to be done, and it's just very satisfying when I finally get the house completely cleaned and in order. I did, however, forget to get an after, so I'm sorry about that. But this is the before, so I do hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just starting off in the dining room today. That way when I go and wash the dishes and do the counters, I know that I have all of the dirty dishes done, which I actually do not believe that I did the dishes in this video because I had already cleaned the kitchen for the night, and so the ones that were on the table from the kids' dinner, I just decided to let soak in the sink overnight, and I washed them with the breakfast dishes. So I'm just starting off by cleaning off the table and sweeping the floors and just cleaning up the dining room. Zoe wanted to help me today, so I decided to let her hold the dustpan while I swept up the kitchen. I always like to let them help me clean up the house and everything, especially if they're willing to do it. And so for her to help me, I just put a couple jewels in her little jar. We're doing like a jewel point reward system with them, so we'll see how it goes. But I just gave her some jewels for helping out. And right now we are moving to the living room and the back of the couches, just cleaning those up. If you followed me and you've watched my videos for a while, you know I kind of like to start in the kitchen and just work my way through the house. That way and end in our bedroom. I do clean the bathroom, but it's very hard to record in there just because it's so small. I have nowhere to put the camera. So I never do get video of me cleaning the bathroom, but it does get clean. Moving on to the front of the couches, I am starting by putting away the library books and straightening up the bookshelf because they like to read books and I don't always put them back where they go, like in a nice order. So I'm happy that they're reading books. So now we're just going to straighten up the bedroom. Moving on, now I'm just picking up and helping them clean up their Star Wars toys and just little Star Wars people. Caleb got a bunch of Star Wars toys and like ships and people for his birthday, so they really like to play with those. So I'm just helping him put his ship stuff together. That way they can go back in the corner and just be nice and tidy. This next part right here made me laugh so hard. I was asking her to throw away the trash, and as you can see, she's making a fuss about grabbing it, and then she throws it right back at me. It was hard not to laugh because I was like, Zoe! But it was pretty funny at the time. It's funny now too. I'm working on just organizing and putting together the rest of the little Star Wars ships. There's enough of them that they don't really fit in their bedroom very good, and they just make it look really cluttered. So we've been keeping them in this corner in the bedroom, because I used to have a bookshelf here, but I actually moved the bookshelf, and then I put one in the kids' room, which is where this bookshelf went to another spot. But we keep his Star Wars toys here, that way they're just out here and they don't clutter up the room, and we can make sure they look nice before bed and everything. If you are not already a subscriber, I would love for you to be a subscriber of my channel. You just hit the little notification subscriber button down below, and don't forget to hit the little bell so that way you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I try to upload twice a week, but with the holiday season, it's been a little bit less, but I'm still uploading at least weekly, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so you can always see new videos and content. I decided to leave this part in because as you see, Caleb is very bound up. He's like this quite often, especially since it's been super cold out. We haven't been able to get out and run around and play. So he just runs circles around the couch. Zoe usually does too. And they burn a little bit of energy that way, but obviously not enough because it's still so hyper. Onto our bedroom. I am starting by folding the mountain of laundry we have on our bed. I try so hard to wash one load every day or every other day, and I try to wash it, dry it, and fold it and put it away all in one day. But sometimes that just doesn't work out, and it just gets piled up on the bed or on the couch, and it just gets piled until there's nothing left to wash. And it's all clean, but it's not folded, and their drawers are empty. So, just a real life moment. I don't always get the laundry folded, so a lot of times their drawers are completely empty. But it is always very satisfying getting it folded and folded. And right here I did like a super speed on my phone, but I didn't finish recording it because I was having trouble with the television and it wouldn't play my movie right. This is the next day and we are just finishing up the bedroom. I was quite tired after I folded the laundry, so I didn't get to the rest of the room. It was about 9 o'clock at night when I finished the laundry, so I just decided to turn off the lights and climb into bed. So this is the next day, around lunchtime or something. So I'm just finishing up our room to get the house finished and completely clean. for sticking around and watching the video. If you liked it, I would love for you to leave me a thumbs up. And if you made it this far through the video, leave me a comment and tell me how the weather is where you're from. And I'll see you guys in the next one.